She is a senior news reporter for Page 6. She's coming to us out of Miami tonight. Eileen Reslen is with us. Eileen, thanks so much for joining us tonight.
Thank you for having me.
All right, here's the question I have. I want to know, and a lot of people want to know, Hollywood, celebrities, other stars. This is a trial about two stars. What are other people saying? Are Hollywood celebrities taking sides here as we wait for this verdict?
There are a select few that are taking sides, and understandably so. A lot of them are very hesitant to speak out. They don't want to say the wrong thing and kind of get caught up in the middle of this mess. But some that have spoken out are people that have worked with Johnny Depp in the past, like Eva Green. She started with him in Dark Shadows in 2012, and that was around the time that he started dating Amber Heard. And she said, of course, that, spoke very highly of him, that he'll be vindicated. And a lot of comedians coming out to support Johnny Depp. Chris Rock in his stand-up joked about it fresh off of his Will Smith slap, saying that, believe all women, but don't believe Amber Heard. Also, Bill Burr has backed Johnny Depp up. He's admitted, though, that he hasn't actually watched a lot of the trial because he's too much of a Johnny Depp fan, but he thinks he'll come out victorious. And obviously the biggest person that is a celebrity that's made the biggest statement is Kate Moss, who dated Johnny Depp from 1994 to 1998. She testified in favor of Johnny Depp, saying that any allegations that he shoved her down a flight of stairs, which Amber Heard implied in her testimony, are just simply not true. So that was very, very important for the Depp side. And, of course, Amber Heard has had a couple of people that also have supported her. Howard Stern called Johnny Depp a narcissist because he wanted this trial to play out on TV. And also Ellen Barkin actually testified for her side. She dated Johnny Depp very briefly, but I'm not quite sure if Ellen Barkin's testimony really has much meat to it, because she said that Johnny Depp tossed a bottle of wine in her direction, but she never actually made any abuse allegations. But still, some star power for the Heard side right there. And lastly, for Amber Heard, was Julia Fox. She might be well known now for dating Kanye West. And she said that, Amber Heard just didn't have the power to be able to abuse Johnny Depp. So she believes that the power dynamics there just really weren't beneficial for Depp's argument that he was abused by Amber. So, we'll see if people speak up after the verdict comes in.
Absolutely. And we only have like 10 seconds here. Did Jennifer Aniston say anything?
She, I wouldn't expect her to. She's an A-list star, obviously, but she very subtly showed her support by following Johnny Depp right after the trial started. So it may have been a little bit of a cosign, but I didn't expect her to actually make a statement.
Fascinating stuff. All right, so after the verdict, we're going to check back with you. Eileen Reslen, senior news reporter for Page 6. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Joining us today.